Hello and welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. Great to have you here. Today what have we got? We've got a Seiko. A very nice Seiko, I think, and I got this at a great price. A bit of a different watch for me. More of a dress watch than a dive watch or sort of tool watch that I'd normally have. And as you can see, I got this from Beaverbrooks, which is a jeweler here in the UK. Shout out to them. To be fair, they did a really nice job of this packaging. I have opened the box briefly just to check that everything was correct in there, but I haven't unboxed the watch yet. Yeah, nicely packaged. Also got this pack in here which has got your returns label. I've got this online, and how to take care of your jewellery. I thought it was really nicely done actually, so fair play to them. They've done a really nice job of boxing this up, but you don't want to see the box, let's be honest. Let's pop in here, get this out of the way. He says, trying to get this. Now this, I'm going to move the camera down just slightly, we can get a little bit closer, is a Seiko Presage Cocktail Time, the Aviation. I didn't realise they had names, you know, I did the Irish coffee and whatnot, but I didn't realise they all had names. I'd not seen this one before. Now, I managed to pick this up in a sale for just over £200. An absolute steal really for this watch. Standard Seiko box, obviously. And here we go. Now, try and get the light bouncing off that. Now, I will put the macro lens on just so we can get a bit closer to that dial, because that's really the star of the show on this. What have we got here? This is the Seiko, go upside down, Seiko Presage, and it is the SRPJ13J1, and the caliber is the 4R35 in the back. Let's pop it off here. Get this a bit closer so you can see that dial is stunning. I hope that comes across on the camera really well. Yeah, absolutely beautiful. 39.5mm. So this is probably borderline for me. I've got an 8-inch wrist, so anything under 40mm can look a little lost. So I'm hoping this is going to be okay. The watch is very cold actually because it's been stored outside for a little bit, and it's very fresh, shall we say. Right, yeah, look at that dial. Stunning. As I say, I will get a little bit of macro on this once I've got these labels off. This came on the bracelet, as we can see. Oh, so butterfly 3-fold clasp. I need to get that off, don't I, before I put this on my wrist, which we'll sort out in a second. Bear with me 2 seconds. I still haven't put a pair of scissors on the desk. There we go. Case back. It's only 50 meters water resistant. I just noticed there. 5 bar. As I say, it's the 4R35, which we will get ticking. Let me get these little clear bits off. Nicely wrapped, he says, sticking it to himself due to the static. Bracelet's nice as well. There's quite a big space actually between those links. If you can hear noise behind me, it's very windy today, sorry. I don't know if the mic's picking that up. Now, as I say, 39.5mm, 50 meters water resistance, only hard Lex, but normally these retail for around 400. And as I say, I was able to pick this up for just over 2. And it was the blue that really caught my eye. Right, I'm going to try this on my 8-inch wrist. So if you've got a bigger wrist, I've got a bit of tape there I need to get off. You'll know if one of these will fit you. So let me just move the box out the way. Oh, just before I do that, what I did notice as well was, if I can grab the piece of card which has just fallen, there you go. Warranty card done as well, which is quite rare. I've had several watches off websites before, and a warranty card isn't always done. So guarantee card, warranty card. There we go. Right, let's get this on now. So obviously, because of the way the clasp is on this, I've got no real micro adjust, so I'm going to put this on my 8-inch wrist and hope that it fits. Oh, actually, it's a little loose. Oh, I might be able to get away with a link out of that. Yes, I might be able to get away with a link out of that. Okay, just look at the way that catches that. That is really nice. Yeah, a little loose. I could take a link out of this, which I shall do at some point, just to make it fit that little bit better. That is really nice. Really nice. Okay, let me just get the macro on this beautiful dial. Okay, so here's a closer look at that dial. And it's a really stunning sort of sapphire blue. Nice sort of fume from the out to there. Really nice. You can just see that patterning on there. It catches the light brilliantly. These beveled indices as well bounce the light around. Beautiful. Really nice. Such a good looking watch. Obviously they do these in loads of different colours and styles, but I was really pleased to pick one up. I do like a blue watch. I know not everybody does, but I have more blue than anything else in my collection. I saw this and it was just too good to miss out on, to be honest. Absolutely beautiful. Presage automatic. As I say, it's the 4R35, which I think has about 41 hours worth of power reserve. So not the biggest in the world, but certainly do me for when this gets out. This will be a special occasion sort of watch, I think. But absolutely stunning. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description to this watch. I'll do a little bit of research before I put the link in, just to make sure I can get the best price for everybody. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.